Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find out the poster size that you created on Canva. So here I'm going to, create a poster from Canva templates. Okay, I'm going to just select a random poster, and in here after I do some edits, I want to find out the poster size. So you can see this on this page there will be no poster size available in here. So if you want to find out the size, you can just click on the three dots icon at the top, and in here you'll easily spot the poster size. So my poster size is currently on 29.7 centimeter times 42 centimeters. Okay, so that's a pretty simple tutorial, but I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.